Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make avocado roll, easy vegan sushi roll. You will need 400 grams of cooked Japanese rice, 3 nori seed, 1 avocado, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Blend rice vinegar, salt, and sugar well to make sushi vinegar. Step 2. Transfer the cooked rice to a large bowl and gradually pour the sushi vinegar mixture over the rice while gently mixing it with the rice puddle. Step 3. Cover the bowl with a wet cloth while preparing the ingredients. Allow the rice to cool to room temperature before using it for making sushi rolls. Step 4. Divide a nori sheet in half. Follow the lines on the seaweed and cut along their direction with your hand or scissors. Step 5. Slice the avocado into even 1 cm wide slices. Step 6. Place the bamboo sushi mat and nori sheet. Wet your hands with water. Grab the sushi rice and evenly spread the rice on the nori sheet using your hand. Step 7. Place 2 avocado slices in the center of the rice. Use your middle finger to hold down the avocado and start rolling from the front until the end of the rice. Step 8. Wet the knife with a damp cloth and cut the sushi roll in half. Align the 2 halves of the sushi rolls and cut them into thirds. I hope you will enjoy these light and tasty avocado rolls. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.